Hi friends! Today we are going to my farm. Let's see what we can find that starts with F. Ready? Let's go! This is my farm. F for farm. Now let's see what other things we can find. Look! All the beautiful flowers. F is for flowers.
So many petals. Flowers are colorful and so pretty.
Look! There's my uncle. He's a farmer. Let's go meet him. We found another one. F is for farmer. Remembered kids farmer, who works hard to grow our food.
Hey, come with me. I found another thing starting with F. You kids come too. Let's go.
Oh! Look at the red fence. We got it, Arjun. F is for fence. And these are the frogs. F is for frogs.
Now let's go to the field.
And these are the colorful, tasty, sweet fruits. F is for fruits. Today we saw so many things. F for farm, flowers, farmer, fence, frogs, field, and fruits. And now friends, let's learn how to draw the letter F. It's super easy. Ready? Let's draw it together. Pull down. First, draw a line at the top. Now draw a line in the middle. Congratulations! We learned how to draw the letter F. Now let's go.
Now we learned F. Let's learn G in the next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.